In this video, I will show you how to move Steam game to another drive. To do that, open Steam and go to Steam icon at the top left corner. Then click on Settings. Go to Storage. Then from this drop-down menu, select Add Drive and select the drive from here and choose the drive according to your preference. Here I am choosing local drive I. Then click on Add option. Now choose the game you want to move to that drive. Then click on Move option. Then from the drop-down menu, select the drive. Then click on Move option. Then wait for some time to move the game to another drive. It will take some time based on the size of the game. Now you can see that the game is moved successfully to another drive. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.